Namaste, Vanakkam, Hare Krishna. Welcome to Conscious Cooking with me, Anuradha. This morning we are making an egg-free version of a famous breakfast, Belgian waffles. So we're going to be making Belgian waffles using the two-bowl method, where we have the dry ingredients in one and the wet ingredients in one. And in my dry ingredient bowl, I have 2 cups of self-raising flour. If you don't have self-raising flour, you can use 2 cups of ordinary flour with 4 teaspoons of baking powder. And I'm also just going to add just a hint more of baking powder to this. And we are going to now add in about 4 teaspoons of sugar. And we're just going to mix that in so that the sugar and the flour are incorporated nicely together with just that hint of baking powder that I put in. And now we're going to add our wet ingredients into this bowl, and for that I've got 2 cups of whole milk. I'm also going to add in about 60 ml of vegetable oil, and I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla essence for some flavor. And we'll just give that a quick mix. And then we're going to be adding our wet ingredients to our flour mixture. Add in a little at a time and mix consistently so that you can get a really nice smooth batter. Okay, so the last ingredient to go in here now is about 5 tablespoons of melted butter. And we just work that into our dough. Right, and this is the pouring consistency that we are looking for. That's going to go into our waffle maker to give us those delicious Belgian waffles for breakfast. So our waffle machine is heated enough. It's ready for us to start putting in our waffles. We're going to spray our waffle maker so that the batter doesn't stick to it. Put in enough batter so that it spreads nicely, and we leave it for about 4 to 5 minutes according to the instructions of your machine. So while our waffles are getting ready in the machine, we've chopped up some walnuts and we're going to cut up some banana, and we've also whipped some fresh cream, and we're going to be serving our waffles with all of these delicious accompaniments. Right, so let's go and have a look at our waffles now. Okay, so they're exactly like the way we want them. Now we're going to be filling all our toppings. We'll start with some freshly sliced banana. Of course, there's so many other toppings that you can put in, like chocolate and even other fruit. Today we're going with banana, some walnuts, and we're going to be adding some syrup, and we're going to finish off with a little dusting of icing sugar. And we're going to also serve it with a dollop of the fresh cream. And there you have homemade Belgian waffles that are egg-free for you to enjoy for breakfast.